Hey beautiful people, we are back at another property. I want to show you all this property. It's different. It's definitely different, but a lot of people want a certain price, and this one is under 300,000. So I figure I'll show it to you guys. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and again, it's $297 plus they're giving you $6,000 in closing cost credit. So I thought you guys would love to see this. And this one is actually in Haines City, Florida. So that's another thing. It's not that far from Disney. It's in Haines City. Not that far from Davenport also. Orlando in general is not that far. This is the primary bedroom, the owner's suite, the master bedroom, whatever you want to call it. And look, I really like it. I was like, well, you know what? This is different. A lot different. I wanted to just record it so that you guys can definitely see it. But this is the closet. Look how huge the closet is. So a lot of space in the closet. And again, this is your bedroom here. It's a primary bedroom. And then this is the back door here. And then you have another bedroom here. And here's the closet. And coming this way, here's another bedroom. So it's 3 bedrooms. Let me show you all how big the bedrooms is so you can really see it. So 3 bedrooms. They need to change that smoke detector because it's calling out for a new battery. Again, here is that bathroom. So this is really nice. Let me know if you guys like this. Let me know what you guys think of this home. And it looks like all of the appliances are included too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.